Computers come in many forms. Some of the most common types are desktop computers, laptops, and mobile phones. But other types of devices such as calculators, gaming consoles, and smart TVs are also computers. The types of computers that we use in our daily lives are called personal computers. Let's look at some of the most common types of personal computing devices and their uses. A desktop is a personal computer designed to stay in one place, like on top of a desk. A desktop computer typically has separate pieces for the base unit, monitor, speakers, keyboard, and a mouse. These parts must be connected using cables. Desktop computers must be plugged in to a power source. A laptop is a portable personal computer, where all parts of the computer are contained in one device. Laptops contain a built-in processing unit, monitor, keyboard, speaker, and mouse touchpad. Laptops are battery-powered, so they do not always need to be plugged into a power source. This makes them easy to be used on the go. A tablet is another type of portable personal computer. The computer parts that make up the tablet are contained in a single device that is smaller than most laptops, typically the size of a book. Because of their small portable size, tablets are often used for entertainment activities, like watching movies or playing games. You can install software applications on tablets that allow you to perform various tasks. A smartphone is a common type of portable personal computing device that is small enough to be handheld. The primary use of smartphones is to make phone calls using mobile networks, but they can be used for much more. You can use a variety of software applications on your smartphone that allow you to take photos, play games, browse the web, send emails, read documents, and more. These apps are great for on-the-go scenarios, but they are typically a lot more basic than the apps you can install on your desktop or laptop computer. Depending on your needs, there are a variety of personal computing devices that you can use to get things done.